the stars don't feel so strong, I'll close my eyes and find your heart.